Carol, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, you make your camera backward, move backward. I cannot see only half here. Okay, that one. Okay. Oh, move backward a little bit. Okay, how are you today?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, teacher is doing great. And how was the weather in Vietnam now?
The weather in Vietnam is windy.
Okay, the weather in Vietnam is windy. Okay,
Yes. It's
so,
very cool.
yeah, really? It's very cold?
Yes.
The same here in my country. The weather is very cold. Okay, so it seems like there's a storm, but I guess there's none, but it's just windy and it's very cold outside. Okay, so do you have class today? Do you have class today?
Yes,
Okay, what time
I
is
do.
your class in Vietnam, Carol? Like what time do you go to school?
No, I have class with you.
No, 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 no. In the morning, what time do you have class in school?
In the morning, I have
Yes,
class at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Until when? Until what time? 7 a.m. to
7 a.m. to 9:30.
half past 9:45 only? How about afternoon?
In the afternoon,
Okay, in the afternoon.
I have class at school about
Okay.
12 12:45 to about 12:45 to 5:10.
2:45? Ilan? Up dito ko. Okay. So, excuse
About
me ha. Excuse me. Just excuse me. Okay. So, you go to school at 7 in the morning. And then, what time you end up in the morning? 9:45.
9:30.
Half 9:30. And then in the afternoon, how about in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I have class at 12:45
Mm-mm.
and ends at 5:10.
Oh, very long class. Okay.
Yes.
Like Monday to Friday? Monday to Friday?
Monday to Saturday, but on Wednesday, I study in the morning and in the afternoon.
Oh, so you have many classes. I can see you
Yes.
have many classes. You have full classes. My God. Oh my God, so many classes. Hey, anyway, uh, okay. Yes. Okay. So you can funny. Okay. So today, what makes you busy today? Today, Carol, we've been to the dentist. You know dentist? Because we had uh we had dentist appointment with my daughter. Like this one. I will show to you ha. I have here my daughter. This is my daughter. Wait na. This one. This
New
is the picture of my daughter. Wait me, ha. Oy. This one. This is my daughter. Oh, wait. Oh, that one. Look at Carol.
He is very beautiful.
Ah, ha, ha, ha. I will send it to you. This is my daughter. Okay, uh she's having tooth extraction. Do you know tooth extraction? Like you will
Yes, I
gonna,
do.
yeah, you will gonna pull the tooth. So like many, she has like three tooth extraction. Okay, you're gonna pull out the tooth. Then after she has his braces. Oh, she has his braces now. Okay, I will send to you. This is what happened to her. That's why we are very busy today. Okay? How about you? What did you do today? Oh, what did you drink? What did you drink?
Drink orange juice.
You drink orange juice. Is that your favorite juice? Is that your
Yes, it
favorite
is.
juice? Oh, what else? How about milk tea? Do you like milk tea?
I like milk tea, but a little.
A little. Okay. What is your favorite milk tea flavor? The one you like the most? What is your favorite milk tea flavor? You tell me.
I like orange juice.
Okay. Milk tea like winter melon. There is a winter melon. You know winter melon, this one. Spelling. Oh, your mom told me we have to talk a lot. Winter melon. Ay, that's the spelling, huh? Like this. Okay, are you familiar? Or we have mocha or chocolate. Like that. Winter melon, mocha, chocolate. Okay.
Mm,
So do you like which of this? Okay, how about chocolate? Do you like chocolate?
yes, I do.
Okay. Okay, what is your favorite flavor? Okay, how about cakes? Do you like cakes? Food.
No, I don't.
Okay, no, you don't like chocolates or cakes? You don't like?
No,
Okay, how about pizza?
I love pizza.
You like?
Yes.
Wow. Fries. Do you like fries?
No, I don't.
You don't? You
Yes,
don't? You don't
I
like?
don't rice
You didn't like?
rice.
Okay, you didn't like?
I don't like rice.
You didn't like fries. Okay. Okay. So here, now I have another questions. Your mom told me you have to talk a lot, many, any topic you want. Okay. You have to tell me about Vietnam. Oh, you tell me about Vietnam.
In Vietnam, there are beau- a lot of famous city like Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi.
Okay. So like what? do you think is the famous tourist spot in Vietnam? Famous tourist spots in Vietnam. Tourist spot.
I think Hanoi.
Okay, Hanoi. What is in Hanoi? Oh, you tell me what is in Hanoi. What is in Hanoi? What is in Hanoi? What do you think is the best tourist spot in Hanoi? Like this one. I forgot. There's one. What do you think is the best tourist spots in Hanoi? Tourist spots. Beautiful view. You tell me.
Mm,
Okay, what is it?
mm. Lake
Yeah, like what is it? The best tourist spots in Vietnam. Okay, what do you think? The best tourist spots in Vietnam. The one you think is best for you.
thing the
Halong
place.
Bay. Halong Bay. Are you familiar with Halong Bay?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so you're familiar with Halong Bay. How's Halong Bay? Halong Bay is good for you? Hmm? Halong Bay, it's a beautiful place, right? In Vietnam. Halong Bay.
Yes,
Halong Bay, right?
but I yes,
But,
but I like Hoi An in Quảng Nam province.
oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
In Quảng Nam province
Is it far in your place? Very far or near?
is far
Okay.
from my
It's far?
yes.
Okay. So, in Quang Nam province. Okay, like where is it? It is in Hanoi or Da Nang?
In Quảng Nam.
In Da Nang. Ah,
No, in Quảng Nam.
Quang Nam. Okay, it's very
Yes.
far. Okay, wow, that's right. Okay, in Dang Nam. Okay, so here. Okay, so another thing is like, you're living in Hanoi. What is your place again? Da Nang? Or you are in I forgot. What is your place again, Carol, in Vietnam? The name of your place.
I live in Vũng Tàu City.
Vung Tau. Yeah, Vung Tau. Vung Tau. Is Vung Tau where in Vietnam? Is it near Hanoi? Near near Hanoi? Near Ho Chi Minh or near Da Nang? Where is it?
It's near Ho Chi Minh.
Okay, near Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh is the very big city, the biggest city, right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, like how many minutes, Carol, when you will be in Vung Tau going to Ho Chi Minh? Do you need to ride a plane?
Yes. My family often travel to another
City?
province, another city by plane.
Okay,
But
by
some,
plane. But
but sometimes my family goes by car.
okay, but again,
But sometimes my family goes by car.
goes by car. Oh, really? Going to Ho Chi Minh? Really?
Yes,
Wow. So,
it
how many
takes me 2 hours.
how many hours?
It takes me 2 hours
Oh,
from Vũng Tàu City to Ho
Vũng
Chi
Tàu
Minh
City to Ho
City.
Chi Minh. Oh, 2 hours only. That's nice. That's great. Okay, 2 hours only. Vũng Tàu to Ho Chi Minh. 2 hours only. Wow, very good. Okay. So what is in Ho Chi Minh City? Can you describe Ho Chi Minh City? I know Ho Chi Minh is very big. It's bigger than
Yes.
Hanoi. Okay. But Hanoi is the capital in Vietnam. So how do you think? Okay, how big? Or can you describe Ho Chi Minh for me? Can you
Ho
describe
Chi
Ho Chi
Minh,
Minh? Yeah.
Ho Chi Minh attracts a lot of tourists because it has beautiful views and famous places like Đức Bà Cathedral.
Okay. So, Ho Chi Minh is one of the no, it's actually biggest city in Vietnam. Okay. So, how about Vũng Tàu? Is Vũng Tàu big city or no?
Vũng Tàu is a big city. It's famous for sandy beaches and delicious
Food.
seafood.
Oh, there's a lot of beach in Vũng Tàu.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like it's an island or no?
No, it isn't.
Okay, it isn't. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I know. Okay. So now, so in my country, I live in Bohol. Bohol is a province. The name of our province is Bohol. But Teacher Ann lives in Tagbilaran City. That's a city. It's not a big city. It's like Vũng Tàu only, not totally big city. It's Vũng Tàu, like Vũng Tàu. The capital
Yes.
of Philippines is Manila. It's a very big city like Hanoi. Okay.
Oh,
So, but we are very far in Manila. We need to travel by plane like 1 hour and 20 minutes going to Manila by plane. Okay. But if we travel it by bus or by land, it is like 1 day to travel. Very, very, very far. Yes. Okay.
mm.
But the hometown of teacher is just 2 hours to travel, like Vũng Tàu to Ho Chi Minh. 2 hours.
2 hours to go by car.
Okay. 2 hours. Okay. Okay. So here, another topic. Okay. So another topic. Oh, you ask me anything. You tell me anything. You ask teacher.
What is Philippines famous for?
Okay, what is?
What is Philippines famous for?
Famous what? Famous food? Food?
Famous for
Food. Famous food of the Philippines is like this. It's, wait, huh? Like roasted pig. Okay, like that. It's a big pig It's like a roasted pig. Okay, it's famous in my country. Whenever we have party, whenever we have birthday, graduations, anniversary, we have pig. We have lechon, and the skin of the lechon is very crispy. It's very crispy. That's why. Oh, you can find it in the Google. Wait ha. Search in the Google the lechon. Okay, you can find it there. It's a big. It's a whole pig.
See it? Did
Okay.
you travel? Did you
Yeah.
travel to another country?
Not yet. I want to travel. I plan to travel to Thailand next year. That's my dream travel destination. I really want to go Thailand. I want to travel there. Okay, how about you? Have you traveled to another country aside from Vietnam?
No, I haven't.
You, no, you haven't. Okay. What is your most favorite or dream travel destination? That the destinations or the place or the country that you want to go to in the future.
I want to go to
Hmm?
I want to go to Philippines in the future.
Wow. Okay, you come to my country.
Yes.
Okay, someday you go here in the phone. Okay, you come to my country and then after a while you have to tell me, okay, okay, teacher Anne, I'm already in your country in the Philippines. Okay? You want to be here? Why? Do you know Philippines? Do you know my country? Do you know my country? Do you know my
Yes,
country?
I do.
Oh, how did you know about Philippines? I asked you.
Philippines is a country in Asia, Asia.
In Asia, Asia. Okay, actually,
Yes,
Vietnam and Philippines, we have the same continent. Okay? Wait, ha?
and Philippines has a lot of islands.
Okay, we have islands. We have many islands. We have 7,107 islands. What else? What else did you know about Philippines? What did you know about Philippines? What did you know about Philippines? One more, another thing.
The capital of Philippines is Manila.
It's Manila. Oh, it's Manila. This one, the capital of the Philippines is Manila. Wait, ha? It's Manila. Okay, it's the capital of the Philippines. Hey, what else? You asked me.
Or anything else.
Hey, what else? You asked me about Philippines. Oh, what is our favorite national fruit? Do you know our national fruit? Do you have national fruit?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what is that? What is the national fruit of the Philippines? It is
Is
mango. Okay, that's the national fruit. It's mango. Mango is the national fruit of the Philippines. Do you know mango? Okay, that is our national fruit. How about in Vietnam? What is the famous food in Vietnam? Famous food.
the famous
Food
fruit in
in Vietnam.
Vietnam is apple and banana.
Oh, we have apple and banana too. You mean apple? Wait, you mean apple and banana? That
Yes.
one?
The national fruit in
Okay.
the national fruit in Vietnam is dragon fruit, but
Oh, really?
people yes,
Yeah.
but people usually eat apples and bananas.
Oh, dragon fruit. Okay. In my country, dragon fruit is not national fruit. Only few people eat dragon fruit. They don't like it. Teacher and I don't like it. I don't like dragon fruit. Okay, but it's expensive in my country. Very expensive. Like like it is about one dragon fruit is roughly about $10 like that. It's expensive. Expensive in my country. The dragon fruit is expensive. Okay. What is your okay, what you are gonna do what you are gonna do, Carol? Example, there's a holiday. Like in my country, we have many holidays. Many. But the long holiday that we had is Christmas Day. Okay, like Christmas holiday. How about you? What's your long holiday?
My long holiday is summer vacation.
Yeah, like you told me, it's like roughly uh for like 3 months. You've got 3 months summer vacation, right?
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
and I have 2 days for Christmas.
Okay, you have 3 days.
2 days.
A Christmas, 2 days only in Christmas?
Yes.
Oh, ours we have 15 days vacation, 15, 1 5. We have 15 days vacations for this one. We have 15 days vacations. So how is it? Okay, that's Christmas in my country. Christmas we have 15 days vacation. We don't have class. Okay, but our summer is only 2 months. We have 10 months going to school, 2 months summer vacation. How about in Vietnam? 9 months only going to school. 9 months. You go to school for 9 months and then 3 months vacation.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Carol, what are the things that you will gonna do? Okay, example in the class time. Do you have dance class, literature class, music, violin, guitar, or what? What did you do? Or swimming lesson? What did you do? What did you do?
In in 2024, I I had swimming lesson,
Oh,
but
24? This 24?
yes, but
25,
now
March. March 24. You have swimming lesson in March 24.
in in June 2024,
June
in
20.
June.
June. Okay. So another, what else aside from swimming? What else?
But now I have an English lesson and math lesson.
Okay. So English lesson with me and math lesson. Who is your math teacher?
My math teacher's name is Hang,
Oh, a boy or a girl?
a girl.
How old is she? Is she Vietnamese? A boy or a girl? Girl.
She is a girl
Yeah.
and she from Vietnam.
Okay.
I don't know her age.
Okay. Wait me a minute ha, just a minute. Okay. So next. Okay. So I have another question. So what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English
Okay. Why do you like English?
because I want to be an English teacher in the
Oh,
future.
really? You want to be an English teacher? Don't you know that teacher is a hard job? It's a very hard profession. You know that? You know that
Yes, but I like English.
okay, you like English that maths. Okay. So what is your favorite sports?
Favorite sport is swimming
Okay, why do you like swimming?
because I usually go swimming with my friends at the weekends.
Okay, you have swimming with your friends at the weekend. Where? Swimming pool?
Yes, in the swimming pool.
Okay, like next questions. Okay, so what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried tofu with tomatoes.
Okay, tomato?
No, fried tofu with tomato.
Okay. Okay, why do you like tomato? Tomato is like, it's like spices in my country. Okay, next questions. What is your favorite color? Fried
My
tofu with
favorite
tomato. Oh, I don't know what is fried tofu. Like tofu. Like it's like I'm not familiar with tofu, but I have idea what it's like.
is like
Okay.
you can search on the Googles.
Okay.
It's like that.
Okay. Like what's that? Wait, I see. Ah, wait. Ah, yeah. Yeah. I know this. It's tofu. You like this?
Yes.
Okay. Another. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow because that color makes me feel happy.
Okay. Yellow. Why yellow? Yellow is just like the color of the sun, right? Oh, it's sun.
Because
Sun is yellow. Okay. Wait. Carol. Time is up and then please join the Zoom again for 15 minutes. Okay?
okay,